Hi friends, welcome to #TechieMit. Hey all, how are you? Also, all of you must be fine. Today in this new video, we'll see about reduce operation in Java 8. So let's go for it. And this is my new kind of video in which I shall also show my camera overlay in front of the screen. So let's go for it. Hope so you might like it all. So as you can see in front of the screen, there is a Java class over there. Uh, so basically what I've done, I've included a list over it in continuation to my previous videos. Um, this video is similar as it is contain operation on the stream operation. So in that extension, I just focus on this video on the reduce operation. So we'll see about the reduce operation. What do you mean by it? Well, why is it a terminal operation? So let's go for it. Um, This is a list, simple list I've taken. It's just a list of integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I've performed operations on it. So as you can see, the first operation is I've taken the sum of 5 numbers. So I want to take the sum of these 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a initial count that you take, and the operation you have to give the second parameter in the lambda, combining this initial count and the second operation. It contains of your operation. So after that, I tried with another way, second approach you might say, using the inbuilt integer colon colon sum function, again method as a reference to the sum function. So same operation on the stream API, and the reduce as a terminal operation, taken 0 as the one parameter, and giving method reference to the sub function of the integer wrapper class. After that, printed both of the outputs in front of the screen. That for differentiation purpose, let me give in the console as using method reference, so it might be nice to know. And after that, I've taken as product of these number, and finally I have taken as to find the minimum and maximum of among these numbers. Yes, because you might be keen or interested to find the minimum and maximum among these numbers, so that can be done using the optional wrapper class. So I've done using the optional wrapper class. So let's see the output in front of the console. We'll run as Java application. Yeah. See, given the first is sum of all 5 numbers is 15. That sum of finding method reference is the same as we are used over here. It's 15. The product of 5 numbers is 120. That is x into y. It comes to 120. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It is the product. It comes to 120. And so it's printed in the front of the screen. And the maximum minimum using combine optional. So, and for key point to note is here you are using the integer wrapper class reference method. So for that purpose, you need to use the optional integer as the return type. That's important. So using that, we have got the minimum number as 1 and the maximum number as 5 that can be seen in front of the screen. So let's play some with the output. What if I give 0 as the initial parameter and I just see to print it? What will print in front of the screen? Let's see, product. Yeah. So see, it's giving me the wrong output now. It's giving me 0, which is not the product of 5 numbers. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So we need to specify the correct initial value to get the correct output. Also, if I change the value as 1 over here, it will give a wrong output. In the sum method, it will give you the wrong one. Let's see, it will give you 16. Yeah. See, the reference method is giving us 16, which is wrong. That is 5 plus 4 comes to 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, and plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So the initial values of utmost important, you should give correctly to get the correct output. So that was all about reduce operation in Stream API. See you in the next video. Keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. Bye for now.